The history of Japan is a rich and complex tapestry that is interwoven with mythology, resilience, and innovation. It provides a fascinating chronicle of a nation that has evolved through ages of isolation, rapid modernization, warfare, and peace. Ancient Japan saw the formation of its first society around 30,000 BCE, but it began to take a more defined structure during the Yayoi period around 300 BCE. During this era, rice cultivation was introduced, profoundly altering the cultural and economic landscape of Japan. The influx of Chinese and Korean influences further propelled Japan into the early historical period, giving rise to the Kofun era characterized by large burial mounds. The subsequent Asuka period marked Japan's transition from animistic beliefs to Buddhism. Buddhism was officially introduced by Korean immigrants in the 6th century. This religious shift played a pivotal role in shaping Japan's culture, art, and governance. The Nara period witnessed the establishment of a centralized government and the creation of the first recorded chronicles. The chronicles, including the Kojiki and Nihon Shoki, documented the divine origins of Japan's emperors, linking them to the sun goddess Amaterasu. Following the Nara period, the Heian era began in 794 and lasted until 1185, celebrated as Japan's classical age. The Heian era was notable for the emergence of a unique Japanese culture. The capital moved to Kyoto, and court life flourished, inspiring renowned literature, including The Tale of Genji by Murasaki Shikibu. The feudal period commenced with the rise of the samurai warrior class. During the Kamakura era, political power shifted to the shogun, and this period saw constant power struggles among feudal lords. Yet, amid these conflicts, Japan kept a considerable distance from the outside world, entering a Sakoku, or isolated era. The Sakoku era lasted until the Meiji Restoration in the mid-19th century. During the Meiji era, the Western influence penetrated Japan, bringing rapid industrialization and modernization. This period marked Japan's transformation into a global power, leading to imperial expansions. However, the devastation of World War II halted this growth, thrusting Japan into a period of reconstruction. In the latter half of the 20th century, Japan emerged as an economic powerhouse, known for its technological innovations and cultural exports. Today, Japan stands as a testament to a nation that has harmonized tradition with modernity, shaping its unique identity on the world stage.